Namaste everyone. My name is Meenakshi and welcome back to my channel The Holistic Yoga. Yoga for mind, body and soul. As promised, here I am with 3 most effective breathing techniques to help you keep cool and refreshed even in the scorching hot summers. So get ready to beat the heat with these pranayama practices. The first breathing technique is Shitali Pranayam or the cooling breath. Usually when we inhale through our nose purifies the air and warms it slightly. But in this practice, we'll be inhaling through our mouth. When the air touches the wet tongue and saliva, it gives a cooling effect to the whole body and hence the name cooling breath or Shitali Pranayam. But before we start the practice, let's have a look at who should or should not perform this practice. These limitations and contraindications are applicable to all the 3 practices that we're gonna do today. As we're inhaling through the mouth, there is no natural purification of the air by the nose. So please sit in a clean and dust-free environment. If you have serious cardiac or hypertension issue, please avoid holding of the breath. Avoid in case of cold or constipation. Do not practice in case of low BP or other respiratory disorders like asthma, bronchitis or chest congestion. Do not practice it in cold weather. To start with the practice, let's sit in any meditative posture, Padmasana or Sukhasana, making sure that our spine is straight and shoulders are rolled back. You may even choose to sit on a chair like I am, making sure that your feet are firmly placed on the ground and not hanging off the chair. Now, extend the tongue outside the mouth as far as possible without strain. Curl the sides of the tongue up so that it forms a tube. Start inhaling through the tongue in one long unbroken inspiration with a hissing sound. Retain the breath inside for double the amount of time. Keep the facial muscles relaxed. Now exhale as gradually as possible without any jerks. Let's do this with the counts this time. So take out your tongue, make a tube shape and inhale through your mouth. 2, 3. Close your mouth and hold the breath. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now exhale through the nose. 2, 3 and relax. You may start with 5 rounds per session and can go up to 10 rounds per session. This pranayama have a cooling effect on our body and mind. It is very effective in cases of hyperacidity. It helps deal with insomnia and controls hunger, thirst, sleep and lethargy. It is very good for high BP patients. It helps in managing psychosomatic ailments and reduces emotional excitation and mental tension. If you are someone who cannot roll the tongue, then that is where the second pranayama practice comes handy, the Shitkari pranayama or the hissing breath. In this technique, rather than rolling our tongue, we keep our teeth together and open the lips as wide as possible and breathe through the corner of our mouth. So let's practice. Now keep your teeth together and open your lips as wide as possible. Breathe in through the corner of your mouth and through the clenched teeth, making a hissing sound. Hold the breath for double the amount of the count and then exhale through the nose. Let's practice it with counts. So clench your teeth together, open your lips wide, inhale through your mouth. 2, 3. Hold the breath. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and exhale through the nose. 2, 3. The recommended practice and benefits are same as Shitali Pranayama. Coming to our last breathing technique, that is Chandra Vedan. Chandra means moon and Bedan means to pierce or to awaken. So Chandra Bedan means to pierce or to purify the Ida Nadi or the left nostril. That is why Chandra Bedan is also known as left nostril breathing, which represents the moon element. So in this practice, we inhale through the left nostril and exhale through the right nostril. To start with the practice, sit in any meditative posture, keeping your back straight. Attain Pranav Mudra with your right hand by folding the first two fingers. We'll be using thumb to close our right nostril and the third finger to close our left nostril. So, while starting, we'll close our right nostril and inhale through the left nostril. We close both the nostrils and hold the breath for double the amount of count, and then we exhale through the right nostril. Let's practice it with counts. So attain the mudra, close your right nostril with the thumb and inhale for 2, 3. Close both the nostrils and hold your breath. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And exhale through the right nostril. 2, 3 and relax. You may practice 5 rounds per session with a pause in between, and you can go up to 10 rounds per session. Coming to the benefits, this pranayama is very beneficial in conditions like mental tension, agitation, high BP and heart diseases. It is very helpful to reduce the body heat. It also regulates the flow of bile and very beneficial in relief from tension, stress and other mental problems. All the breathing techniques that we discussed today are very simple to practice, but do not let their simplicity question you its effectiveness. These techniques are highly beneficial and very effective. So do include them in your morning routine daily and enjoy the benefits. Do not ignore the limitations and contraindications that we discussed in the beginning of the video. And I would love to hear your experience, so please do share it in the comment box down below. Do subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to never miss a video on a happy and healthy life. I see you all very soon. Until then, take care and have a serene summer. Namaste.